Let's begin with Neo-Organicism, a style that blends organic and geometric shapes to create abstract and surreal landscapes. This style is reminiscent of a futuristic utopian world that combines nature and technology in perfect harmony. Next up is Digital Impressionism, a style that uses digital tools to create Impressionist-style paintings with a focus on capturing the essence of light and color. It brings the beauty of the Impressionist movement into the digital age. Moving on to Mechanical Realism, this style celebrates the intricate beauty of mechanical objects in industrial landscapes. The hyper-realistic approach emphasizes the textures and details of metal, machinery, and infrastructure. Now let's take a look at Psychedelic Cubism, a style that combines the fragmented, multi-perspective approach of Cubism with the bold colors and trippy patterns of psychedelic art. This style results in a mind-bending, visually stunning experience. Next, we have Intuitive Abstraction, a style that emphasizes spontaneous expression and emotional intensity. And this style focuses on the artist's inner world rather than external reality, resulting in a range of works from chaotic and raw to serene and contemplative. Ethereal Realism is a style that blends realistic representation with a dreamlike, ethereal quality, as if the scene is suffused with a mystical aura. It often features soft diffused lighting and a muted color palette. Moving on to Postmodern Pop Art, this style updates the iconic imagery and bold colors of pop art for the digital age. It incorporates pop culture references and social commentary to create a playful and thought-provoking commentary on contemporary society. Neo-Expressionism draws on the raw, emotional intensity of Expressionism, but updates it for the modern world. It often features bold, gestural brushstrokes, vivid colors, and a sense of urgency and immediacy. Afrofuturism is a style that blends elements of African culture and mythology with futuristic sci-fi imagery. It creates a unique vision of a world where technology and tradition merge in unexpected ways. Finally, we have Geometric Minimalism, a style that distills complex shapes and forms into simple geometric compositions. This style often has a focus on negative space and a limited color palette, resulting in works that range from stark and austere to playful and whimsical. AI-generated art styles showcase the limitless potential of artificial intelligence and offer a new perspective on traditional artistic movements. These styles bring a fresh, modern perspective to the art world and are a testament to the power of technology in creating beauty and innovation. Thank you for joining us in this discussion on AI-generated art styles. Until next time, keep making the things that make you happy.